Really, children are very dear to God. Children are very truthful, and today we are going to read about such a children named Nachiketa. Nachiketa was son of King Bajasarva. Nachiketa was kind-hearted, he was obedient, he was determined. Once King Vajasarva performed a yajna. The purpose of the yajna was to please God. The yajna was very great or big. After the yajna, the king had to give all his near and dear belongings in charity. Nachiketa, who was the loving son of Bajasarva, he was assigned the work of charity. The yajna lasted for a fortnight, means for 15 days. Nachiketa went to watch the work of charity. There he saw that only old cattle were being given to the priests. Nachiketa became surprised and he asked the minister, what is the cause behind it? That the priests are being given old cattle. That time the ministers told that king has ordered us to do so, so we are doing it. Nachiketa left that very place and he reached to his father. When he reached there, that time his father asked, have you seen the work of charity? Nachiketa said, yes, I had gone there, but I returned immediately. Then his father wanted to know why did he return. Nachiketa told, I did not like the work of charity. Then father asked, was there any problem? Nachiketa said, old and barren cattle were given to the priests. It will be a burden for them. What is the use of giving such cattle? Then the king told, I had told the ministers to do so. Nachiketa said, but in yajna you should give your near and dear belongings in charity. The king was agree with these words of his son. Nachiketa asked, who is dearest for you? King Bajasarva replied, my dear son, you are the dearest for me. Then Nachiketa suggested, if you want to make your yajna successful, that time you should give your son in charity. The king was very busy, so he became irritated. He also became angry and he told that I give you to Yam. Hearing it, Nachiketa touched the feet of his father. He started his journey to Yamlok. As I told, Nachiketa was obedient and determined, so he obeyed his father. He was determined, so he started his journey for Yamlok. He reached Yamlok. He reached at the palace of Yam. There was a guard at the gate. He did not allow Nachiketa to enter. Then Nachiketa told that my father has sent me here. You should inform Lord Yam about it. But the guard told that no one is allowed to enter without permission, and Lord Yam is not here. He will return after 3 days. If you want his permission, you should wait here. That time Nachiketa stood there on one leg for 3 days. He waited there at the doorstep of Yam. After 3 days, Yam returned. He saw a young boy waiting there. He asked, "What are you doing here?" Then Nachiketa replied, "I am waiting for you." Yam knew that this boy is waiting for 3 days for him, and he had come here to obey his father's order. Yam told that your life is very long and you will have to go back on the earth. You waited here 3 days. How did you get energy? Nachiketa told, I enjoyed your good deeds that gave me energy to live here. Yam became very pleased and granted him 3 boons. In first boon, Nachiketa told Yam to give him a boon, and the boon was that his father should not be angry when he reaches home. It was the first boon. Yam granted him this boon without any problem. After that, Nachiketa asked him that I want to know about the creation of this world as second boon. Yam explained the creation of the world. Nachiketa became very happy, and in third boon he told Yam that I want to know the truth about life after death. That time Yam hesitated. He told that I can't grant you this boon. You may ask for wealth, power, anything that you want. You may ask for the lordship of the whole world. You will be granted these all things just now. But Nachiketa told, if you want to grant my third boon, you should tell me about the truth. What happens after death? And as you told that this world will come to an end one day, then what will I do after that? At last, seeing the Nachiketa's insistence, Yam granted him third boon. Nachiketa received the highest knowledge of this world, and that knowledge was what is the truth about life after death. This knowledge made Nachiketa free from all types of sorrows. After that, he returned to his father. His father embraced him, and all the precious things were given in charity. Really, Nachiketa was such a child which is mortal in the history of India. Children are very dear to God, and they are truthful. There is no ill feeling in the heart of children, and this is the cause even God understand the motto of children heart of children, and God grants what children want. Due to Nachiketa, King Bajasarva understood the value of charity, and he gave his near and dear belongings in charity, which was very necessary for the making yajna successful. We should also be obedient, we should be fearless, we should be determined. My dear children, you should be honest, truthful, and determined in your life. If you are so, that time you can achieve anything in your life. Thank you. Have a nice day.